Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch or expand an image on the Pixlr photo editor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixlr photo editor application on your device, or you may also log in to pixlr.com from your web browser. After logging in using your email address and your password, you can click on Pixlr Express in order to open up the Pixlr Express editor. From here, you can click on Open Image to upload an image from your PC. Once you open up your desired image, in order to expand and stretch out, go ahead and click on AI Tools at the left side. From here, you can click on Generative Expand, and now you can choose your preset size to choose how much you want to expand the image. After choosing the size, go ahead and click on Expand in order to use the displayed amount of currency that you will need to spend from your existing credits. After spending your credit and clicking on the Expand button, this will now work on filling up the missing details and expand the image to the resolution and preset size that you just selected. You will have two different samples from which you can go ahead and choose any one that you wish, or you can also repeat if you're not satisfied by the result. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to stretch or expand any image on the Pixlr photo editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.